Yeah, peeps. Morning, you know. Yeah, man. Freelance there. So, man, really, there's some little clean up on it. Little farmer. Alright, now we run out of space, so we are going to need some more space to put some more things.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares.
Yeah, plan here. More plan. Yeah, man, we are pine. Tree, pine tree. And some other more things we buy in that too, you know. So let's go and wait a little. Yeah, man, the good old lucky chicken. And then, yeah, we good old fall in there. Yeah, much up down there. This one's some mountain. Another pear tree. I know guys, you need some more farming land, come here, tell her. We have only for produce the plan, but we don't have the land yet. So we just, I know we're in a town, you know? Yeah, we're in a country today. We are freelance in a town, so we're at Kingston today. We don't have a scene a jungle, you see me? Yeah man, but we have a little farm, yeah. I go and sow some tomato, plantain, some banana, some pine. And I could bring up some cane, but I never get to bring them one day. So soon as they forward, yeah. Yeah man, backyard farming not them best, you see that? I don't run out of space, so I want more space. So I will take it to the countryside. We have coconut up the same, you know. Big coconut tree that don't mess up, but it's well tall. Keep on that side there. Feeding tree that's ackee. Tambourine. More ackee again. Guinea over there, so. Machine, debris, freelance there, man. Lime tree that lime tree. Sorry, pine. So. this or not. Yeah, it's a good little cleaning exercise. Nice to perform people, you see that? So we can get it clean up, you know? That's a plan for you there. That's 2 minutes later. Them on the pine tree, them are coming too. Pine tree, them active out there. Yeah, like water system and so we water them, the water always a come over. So one have 2 that's 2 different pine too. So that one are the bigger one. So I end up the one whole big cougar, no? And stay around here so come back around again. So look at one you see there, that's all. So we have to start mash up that already. So people, thanks for watching, I don't know. Reach here in every video, so watch a like, share, comment and do a subscribe. Freelance Jamaica TV, we out there without fear, man. Remember, I call and God and Zion. Yeah, man. I don't know when I town over there, when I'm in the city, so. In the city, when I'm in the country. Remember, flick the notification bell and tell a friend. Until the next one.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get